The Lord be with you. Good everyone. Today is Thursday and the gospel is coming from St. Matthew chapter 18 verse 21 up to chapter 19 verse 1. And today we are commemorating St. Maximilian Kolbe, martyr of charity. The gospel tells us about forgiving not just 7 times but 70 times 7 times, meaning unlimited forgiveness. There must be love even to our enemies. And if we are asking for forgiveness, then we should also learn to forgive others. What prevents us from forgiving others and what prevents us also from asking for forgiveness is what we call pride. And the antidote against pride is only humility and charity. If these two will be combined, our humility and charity will definitely overpower whatever pride is in us. Saint Maximilian Kolbe didn't allow pride and indifference to overcome his desire to help the man who was accused. In fact, he put himself in the shoes of that man so that that particular person can be saved. Such an act of humility and charity. So today, my dear sisters and brothers, how can we forgive if we don't have charity? How can we help others if we are indifferent to the situations that they have in their life? It's time to see the suffering of others. It's time to see our own weaknesses so that we can love and we can forgive everyone. God bless you. And may we be found worthy of God's love and forgiveness.